Presenting the Thunder Road from one of my favorite 80s movies, Explorers. This is the first video in a short series of this latest passion project and tribute to the king of practical effects, Industrial Light and Magic. This is a 3D print model. Showing here are the various stages of my progress throughout the last month, where I started sculpting the tilt-a-whirl and adding components to that base form. I modeled the Thunder Road at studio scale, the same size as the filming miniature. That puts this finished model at about 13 inches wide, including the LEDs, and around 10 inches tall. It is available now through my website linked in the video description. I separated the components to provide easy access to the interior for LED installation. This also makes 3D printing, assembly, and painting much easier. Even at studio scale, the parts are small enough to fit on an Ender 3 printer. Let's watch how the parts are engineered to assemble. Since I animated those clips, I've made a few improvements to the files, making alterations for an easier printing experience. I also modeled a few alternate pieces, such as introducing bezels to the washing machine windows to recreate the filming model a bit closer, and I sculpted a hollow version monitor in case you want to throw an LED light in there. If you're interested in future videos of the Thunder Road, be sure to hit the bell icon to be notified when the next videos go live. In these future episodes, I'll give you some pointers on 3D printing. An episode after that will tackle assembly and painting along with electronics installation. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.